Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. I love being able to do my nails at home, and now I feel like a pro thanks to this awesome nail drill from HSKAI. This nail drill allows me to be able to have salon quality nails at home and to really actually enjoy being able to make my nails feel healthier and salon quality. The nail drill is so easy to use. It is very quiet to use, but it doesn't overheat at all while you're using it. It has 10 different drill bits, so you could easily use this whether it be for your nails or even for pedicures. And it's easy to handle and to control, and I love that it has that protective cover so I don't have to worry about the dust coming up into my face. It even has a light so you can really see everything that you're doing really well and get that really professional quality. Not only is it awesome because it has 10 different speeds, but it's USB operated. So when you need to recharge it, you just plug it in and it will charge right back up. So you don't have to worry about that cord while you're doing your nail. This comes with everything that you need, including a handy bag so that you can store it and get it ready for the next time. If you're ready to really get serious about doing your nails at home, you need to get this nail drill. You will be highly impressed. We are here and I love it, and that's my point of view.